Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog stairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pet Gear Easy Step 2 Cat and Dog Stairs. These stairs are a good solution for most pets. They have wide, deep steps which make it easier for small dogs to pause on each step, and they give larger dogs more stability. The step rise is 6 inches high with an overall slight slope. Some dogs might need a little coaxing to navigate the slant, particularly when heading down the stairs. The steps are plastic with carpet tread on the top and rubber grips on the bottom. The tread keeps your dog from sliding on the stairs and the grips keep the whole thing in place, even on hardwood or tile floors. But be aware that the treads don't hold up to washing well, even with air drying, and start to become ragged after a few washes. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Yofit Doggy Steps. If you're looking for a set of stairs for small dogs, these are our top pick for their affordability, portability and washable cover. They're budget priced, so you can buy several steps to accommodate your pet's movements up and down to recline on favorite sofas and chairs. We've tested them at home with 2 Papillons, weighing 9 pounds and 14 pounds, and found them to be a great choice throughout the home. We have 5 sets, and the oldest set has held up well for more than 2 years. The cover has been machine washed and air dried multiple times without losing its shape or getting shabby looking. At number 3, we have the Pet Gear Easy Step Bed Stair for cats and dogs. We tested the Pet Gear Easy Step Bed Stair with an elderly Shih Tzu with hip and joint mobility issues. She quickly grew confident using the carpeted stairs and began using them independently. The angle was appropriate for her limitations. These steps have an L-shaped design that can wrap around your couch or bed, saving space instead of extending into the middle of the room. However, they're still rather bulky, so measure out the dimensions on the floor before you buy to ensure it will fit in your space. At number 2, we have the Zinus 2-Step Comfort Stairs. Made of high-density foam, these simple steps are lightweight and easy to move around wherever you need them. The cover is soft and can be removed for machine washing. The steps are easy to assemble. Slip the cover over and zip it up. There's rough material on the bottom to keep the whole thing from slipping. This extra small version has 2 steps, but there are other sizes with 3 to 4 risers. Evaluate sizes carefully because the smaller sizes may have limited utility. For example, some options might be okay for helping your pup onto the couch, but they could be too short to reach the bed. And finally, at number 1, we have the ARF Pets Wood Dog Stairs. The ARF Pets Wood Dog Stairs arrived fully assembled, which is a nice perk if you hate putting things together. The material is sturdy, and the stairs are lined with fabric for traction. Best of all, the stairs can be adjusted to various heights, from 21.5 to 25.5 inches, making these stairs useful in multiple environments. They also fold relatively flat so they can be stowed if not in use, such as if you use steps to assist your dog into your truck or SUV. A 2-year-old Pembroke Welsh Corgi with short legs helped us test this set of dog stairs. Since he's a little bit fearful of stairs, he was slow to warm up to the steepness of these. However, he eventually became more comfortable, even though he often slips up on the first or second step. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon